Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I thank you so much for taking the time out and just watching me for the next 10 minutes or so, hopefully. I definitely want to show you what's inside of my summer FabFitFun box. I know I got super excited when I said that because I'm excited about the products that's in it. I actually received this not too long ago. I used a lot of the products that's inside the box already. So my box is right over here. It looks just like this. Guys, this is my second box. I started off with the spring box, so this is a summer box, and I cannot wait. They do quarterly boxes per the seasons, and I mean, my God, I can't wait for Christmas box. I just don't know what Christmas is going to be like. So I'm going to open this box up. I already opened everything up, so you're going to see some, not everything inside, but I am going to show you the magazines that actually came inside my box as well. My box came out to be a total of $354. And again, I pay for an annual subscription around $180 for the year, which was pretty awesome. To get value in the box like this. I do not own FabFitFun, of course, but FabFitFun is a subscription box that you can open up, and it has a lot of lifestyle, even health and wellness products in it, and of course beauty products, which I really love. So no further ado, let's see what's inside the FabFitFun box. So the first thing inside the box, what came in it, is the FabFitFun actual magazine. Again, it shows like a lot of different stuff in the inside about FabFitFun, the editor's notes, and what could be inside of your box. I'm not going to take time and read all that to you, but you do get that along with the package. In this package, my first time, I received some good little offers here. I have one. They have a $90 coupon for meal plans made for your lifestyle. They have like keto diet, balanced living. You could just choose your dinners and get them cooked right at home. And it looks like this, the Bright Cellars. I love me some wine, so I would definitely take a look at this too. So it came all inside my box. So no further ado, what's the first product that's inside my box? Let's see. I'm going to share with you this. Beautiful combination. I'm going to hopefully come up a little closer. This is a mask that you put on your face here. All of it seems to be cruelty-free, vegan-free as well. Vegan products, excuse me, and cruelty-free, which I really like. These are patches that go under the eye. Get rid of like puffiness, as well as brightening your skin, which I really liked. I did already use both of these products. I would try to bring up a little. Next product in my box that I absolutely loved was this moisturizer. It's an oil. Hope you guys can see that. I'm going to open the box so you can take a look at it. I've been using this already, and may I say it's very nice. It has flower extracts, avocado, and pumpkin oils. It has a rice bran extract as well. It feels really great in the face, not too oily, and again, it is all oil base here. So I'm not sure if you can see it a little better, but it's all oil base, and it's very nice. I remember that this was definitely retailed at a very high price ticket. I think $120 offhand. Looks like here. All right, and the tip got a little spoof there at the end, which is pretty cool, normal. And the spoof is here. Not sure if you guys can see that tip. It's like shapes like your eyebrow, especially if you use it there. Which I do need to do my eyebrows actually. So I am in the process of trying to get that done, but this is not the best mirror, but it definitely has matched my color, so I really like it. It's like a dark brown. So it's a really nice pen from Winky. This is my next product. It's a foot cream. It says blood. It's a blood orange type of smell foot cream. It gives a lot of moisture back to my feet, and I believe it has a menthol type of, yeah. The next thing coming out this box is a hand cream. It's a really nice hand cream. It's coconut smell to it. Very nice. I actually bought the soap sponge in my add-on. So what the FabFit box is this. This is from Pottery Barn. I really like this. This is a diffuser, and I actually showed it on my picture already. But it's very, very nice. I'm going to try to take it away now. So this is the oil that came with it. Of course, you get the sticks, you know, inside of it as well to put it inside your diffuser. And you will see some pictures and stuff of me showing you exactly how it looks. And the next thing, I am going to be showing it on a different screen here as well. This is a really, really nice vase. This vase is a ceramic decorative vase. It's hand painted. It's really beautiful. I already opened it, but I'm going to open it again. It has a very, very feminine style, and it will give it a very, very great feminine creative space here. But I'm not sure if, and on the pictures that I send, I will make sure, but this vase is very, very nice. And the size. So this is the last product that I received in my box. This is an ice roller. And woo! You're supposed to put it in the freezer, and but when I put it on though, it feels great. It helps with my puffiness. It's supposed to help with the, you know, especially in the winter. I mean in the summer. This is the ice roller that I received. You're gonna hear my baby in the background today, but woo! Can I say this is cold? You're supposed to put it in the freezer, which I did, and I have been using it quite a bit, but at first it's really cold. But I do feel that it's working. It keeps my areas really cool. So with the ice roller, this was the last product in my FabFitFun box, and I think I'm going to enjoy it. So guys, I really had a blast with you. I really want you to make sure you click like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be showing some add-ons from the FabFitFun and let you know, hey, how much I paid. It's going to be a shorter video and show you all the things that came inside of my add-ons, where you got the fit anywhere from 50 to 70% off. I'm also going to be doing a starter box for everyone who, like 1 up to 5 people. So I'm also going to be doing a starter box. Believe it or not, FabFitFun have these starter boxes that I can send you a link, and you only pay for shipping. Like, shipping is really cheap, and you get a very nice box. And the box was valued $75 inside the box. It has beautiful, beautiful products just like you see in mine. So I definitely highly recommend, if you're interested, email me. My information will be at the bottom. Shoot me an email. We'll be doing a little fun raffle with this. So I definitely want to be able to honor the 5 people who are going to be the ones that will get in the starter boxes. So make sure you click like on my video and make sure you subscribe, and then email me if you're interested in the starter box, and I will definitely send you the code to get your starter box today for only shipping and handling. Okay, so